I am here going to introduce to the next term, that is vestibule. So let's see what is vestibule. Vestibule is a narrow space externally bounded by the lips. So it's a narrow space, as you can see in the image, which is externally bounded by the lips. And cheeks on the sides, we have cheeks on our sides, right? And internally by gums and teeth. When you look internally in the mouth, then the space between the teeth, gums and the lips, between this portion and this portion, between the lips and the teeth and the gum, that narrow space is known as what? It is known as vestibule. So don't forget what is vestibule. It is a narrow space, you can see, and you can just see in your mouth also that the space between your lips and the teeth and gums, that space is known as vestibule. Now this vestibule, you can say, has two folds. Just remember that earlier we talked about the superior labial frenulum and the inferior labial frenulum. So this vestibule's parts are these two folds. The superior labial frenulum and the inferior labial frenulum, they are the two folds of this region, right? And you already know their function, that this superior labial frenulum, it is connecting the upper lip with the gums, and the inferior labial frenulum, it is connecting the lower lip with the gums. So here you can just make out this original image from the human mouth. This is the region. Now since it is connecting the lower lip with the gum, so it is inferior labial frenulum, right? This is inferior labial frenulum, and same frenulum is there which is connecting the upper lip with your gums, which forms the superior labial frenulum. So this is how, there are two folds. So this vestibule space, it has two folds which actually have this frenulums, the superior one and the inferior one, the superior labial frenulum and the inferior labial frenulum. So you can see this in this image, how this is there, how this space is there, which we call as vestibule.